Welcome to Season 4 of The Compressor Guru. Most of what The Guru has shown you in the last 3 years has been customer compressors and jobs. But nice weather is here and things have slowed down to a mild busy. With that being said, The Guru has some projects sitting around and he is doing a poll to see which one is next. You get to choose. The Guru has several projects and needs to do all of them. But it is your choice which one goes first. So, we have a Quincy QT10 that needs a set of rings. This pump didn't get the break-in oil changed in time, and the rings went out. So if you want the Quincy QT10, leave in the comments QT10. Next, we have a QR 325 Quincy that needs a lot. I am not sure it won't scrap out. If you want the 325 first, put 325 in the comments. We have an Ingersoll Rand 7BP, which is slightly different than the 7T. This is a 2-stage. This is an older, heavy-duty pump. The Guru has no idea what this pump needs or what is wrong with it. If you want to see this pump go first, leave 7 in the comments. Now, we're going to tell you some non-compressor stuff, and you are welcome to choose from these. The Guru has a couple of antique tire changers. We have a guy in our town that has a world-class man cave. Eric has sold him some old tools out of his shop. The cave guy was not interested in a rusty one, so Bud is thinking about refinishing these to put them up for sale to the cave guy or to someone else. If you want these done first, comment tire. Last but not least, we have a recip saw for cutting iron bar or wood. This is just a fun project, and it will probably be for sale when finished. Bud does have a good auto bandsaw. And Bud does not need this. I told him he didn't need it, and he's not keeping it. So if this goes first, please leave saw in the comments. The next several episodes will feature Eric, the electric guru. We only have Eric for a limited time, so we want to use him while we can. Folks, we have been amazed over the last 3 years with how many of you we have been able to help with the information we share here. We were totally surprised when the phone started to ring and the usual question was, "Do you sell parts?" Well, yes, we do. Friends, anything you see the Guru installing in a compressor or electrical stuff like motors, starters, and pressure switches, we have an excellent availability on, and we have a fast, easy way to ship to you. It's all up to you now, folks. We want you to leave your comment on which project will go first. Will it be QT10, 325, 7, tire, or saw? The choice is yours. Thank you for supporting us over the past 3 years, and we look forward to being here for many more years to come. God bless you all. Hit like and subscribe in the comments.